Active information displays all active monitoring points from all locations in the system. The information in this video will cover how to view, clear, and delete active monitoring points. Using a web portal application, access the VersaVison software. From the home page, select the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Diagnostics, then select Active Information. All active monitoring points will populate opposite the application's menu, separated by type. The information shown will differ by type, but all types will have a location, a name, a started time, tags, a three-dot action selector, and a hide show option. To minimize a type, select Hide on the right side. The details will be hidden. To bring back the detailed view, select Show on the right side. When an item needs to be removed, select the three-dot ellipsis action selector. There are two options available on the action menu: Forcibly Clear and Delete. Forcibly Clear will end the item in the same way it would occur normally at the location. The Delete option will remove the item from the system, meaning it will not exist in the database for analysis. When either option is selected, the item will clear from active information.